Cuttlefish are unique creatures that live near the ocean floor. How does the common cuttlefish avoid predators? A presentation by San Diego Mesa College. Cuttlefish, similar to other cephalopods and phylum Mollusca such as squid and octopus, have a specialized organ called the ink sac, which produces and stores a black ink that is primarily made of melanin and mucus, but also contains the neurotransmitter dopamine and its chemical precursor L-dopa. Cuttlefish utilize this ink for three unique purposes: a smokescreen, a scent blocker, and a decoy. Cuttlefish, like squid and octopuses, eject their ink in a dense but loose cloud that functions as a smokescreen to distract and confuse a predator, allowing the animal to escape from any perceived dangers. The dopamine and L-dopa in cuttlefish's ink act as a kind of scent blocker. The chemicals do not conceal the animal's natural scent, but attack the predator's sensory organs by temporarily paralyzing its sense of smell. Furthermore, cuttlefish can also partially modify the shape of their ink cloud by surrounding their bubble of ink with mucus, creating a pseudomorph, a body-sized double that serves as a decoy to fool a predator. Besides their ink-related adaptations, cuttlefish also have a unique visual sensory system to help them avoid predators.
The cuttlefish's eyes are remarkable and move depending on if the animal is hunting for prey or hiding from a predator. When searching for prey, the cuttlefish orients its eyes closer together to concentrate on a single target. When the cuttlefish is hiding from predators, its eyes move farther apart, giving the cuttlefish a wider view of its surrounding. It has 15 to 100 degrees in overlap in its eyesight, meaning that the cuttlefish can see objects in its peripheral view. Colorfish are colorblind, but can see polarized light, which is invisible to humans. Cuttlefish can discern even 1 degree of difference in the angle at which light is reflected and polarized. The subtlest change can activate their color-changing defense mechanism, and this is how they can camouflage themselves to match their environment despite being colorblind. Because each color of light has a different wavelength and the cuttlefish's lenses bend each wavelength differently, one wavelength passing through the cuttlefish's lens can be in focus while the other wavelength is blurry. Thus, one of the eyes is constantly refocusing to let it see an object. The W-shaped pupil in the cuttlefish helps it with effectively balancing the vertically uneven light field due to polarized light. These adaptations give the cuttlefish amazing eyesight that helps it survive in its environment. Due to their exceptional eyesight, cuttlefish are able to excel in their daily application of camouflage.
The basic coloration of the cuttlefish is various, and it's usually mottled black or brown. Cuttlefish have the ability to change its color pattern due to three things, which are chromatophores, leucophores, and hydrophores. Chromatophores are pigment-bearing cells of lower vertebrates that cater for the ability of individual animals to shift body coloration and pattern. Color change provides dynamic camouflage and various kinds of communication. Hydrophores and leucophores, sometimes called gonophores, are pigment cells that reflect light using plates of crystalline chemochromes made from guanine. When illuminated, they generate iridescent colors because of the diffraction of light within the stacked plates. Cuttlefish are able to change color, pattern, or texture in a fraction of a second. This makes it hard for predators to spot them. Cuttlefish use a technique called the moving rock technique, which is when a cuttlefish moves as if it were a rock and hiding or escaping from predators. While being able to camouflage within its environment, cuttlefish also hide from prey so they can sneak up on its next meal.
Cuttlefish's unique adaptations make it suited for avoiding predators near the ocean floor. Their main defenses are their ink sac, their unique eye shape and sight, as well as their ability to change color. A presentation by San Diego Mesa College. Thank you for watching this presentation on cuttlefish. Here are our cited sources for our research.